Hello friends, welcome back. Till now we saw in my previous video as like read and write operation as well as the move operation for the file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next operation that is called delete operation. Okay, delete or copy. So let me show you first delete and then we'll move to the copy. Let me create one more subfolder. Sorry, subflow, and let me put the logger here. Okay, and then delete operation. Okay, so basically this, let me rename it file operation delete subflow. Okay, file operation move subflow. So here let me just clearly subflow, which one, the move subflow start, move subflow, and here make it as delete subflow start, delete subflow end. Okay. To be more clarity, and let me go to the configurations. Let me set the same connector configuration and the file, the path basically, which file we have to delete it. So let's suppose once I have processed the particular file from input location to the output location, I have to delete that file instead of move. Okay, so let me give the like input location. Okay, so this is the input location, and here let me give the input slash user details dot csv, the file name. Okay, which we want to delete it. And then instead of let me comment out the move operation, and let me take one flow reference, and here set it as a delete subflow. Okay, so for time being I am like commenting out this move because see, move operation is like, again, it's moving from input location to the process folder, but delete operation will delete from the particular folder instead of process to like next file, next folder basically. Okay, so let me run it. And one more thing, just wanted to keep the file basically processed. Okay, copy same file I'm going to place in the input folder and rename same data, and then I'm going to call it a user details. Okay, the file name. My application got deployed. Now I'm going to move next. So read successfully, write successfully, then I'm going to call to the delete subflow. Okay, my call here, and then let me show you. In input file we have already, right, the particular file, and let me move to the delete operation. Okay, so deleted successfully. You see the file gone. So that is how we can perform the delete operation. And then next. So my application successfully completed. Let me show you. So if you see, job started, file read successfully, data written successfully, delete subflow start, delete subflow end, and job end. Okay, so this is how we can use the like delete operation. Okay, let me show for the copy. Okay, so let me create one more folder, subflow here. Let me name as a copy flow. Pick logger, mm, delete it, logger, logger, and copy operation. Okay, so the configuration same, file config, and then copy. Means basically from where to where I have to copy. So this same thing like move operation, like we are moving from one location to another, and also we are copy from one location to another. So what I can do, let me create one more folder here as a copied. Okay, and let me put the user details file again to the input folder and make it as a rename user details. Okay, now so the in source path, so where I have to copy from this one once file got processed. Okay, this one and user details dot csv, and the target, let me copy the copied one. So here I have to paste that file, and if you want same thing as a rename, then you can use it, otherwise keep as it is. So a parent directory I'm making as a false, and override is true. Okay, now I'm not giving the rename to, so basically the same file I'll copy to this copied folder with the same name. Okay, so and let me comment out this one, and let me copy one more as a copied one. Yeah, so copy subflow. Okay, and let me debug it. So let's deploy our application. Okay, application got deployed successfully. Let me move next. We read successfully. Now return data into CSV file successfully. Now I'm going to call the copy subflow. See, my call comes here. Let me go next. Okay, so copied file from one location to another. Let me show you. So yeah, so see, from here copy means the file will be placed there itself, but just we have copy the particular file and paste into the copied folder. Okay, here, so we got the same file basically with the same data. Okay, but the requirements here is let but business wants to delete the file from the source path once copied from source location to the target location. So what I can do, so basically after the copy folder I have to call the delete flow basically. Okay, so let me drag one flow reference and let me call as a delete flow. Okay, so what will happen, once I have copied from source location to target location, I'll delete that file from the source location basically. Okay, so source location, let me show you the user details. So this is the source location which we am going to delete it. Okay, let me debug it. application is deploying. Yeah, application got deployed successfully. Let me move next. Okay, now I'm going to call copy flow. File copied successfully. Now I'm going to call delete flow. I don't want to keep that file at source location once I have copied from to the other location. Okay, so my file got deleted successfully. If you see from input, the file gone. Okay, and if you see in the copied user details, we copied, and just now if you see, not just it's overwritten basically, and the same file. Okay, so this how it's work. Let me process and let me show you. So if you see the logs, start job, file read successfully, data written successfully. Okay, in the next, if you see, delete subflow started. Okay, and delete subflow. Before that, there will be copy, right? So once again, did I put the logger in copied? Okay. Oh, sorry. In log copied folder, I didn't keep the like message. That's why it's not showing there. So let me keep the info log here. So what I can say, copy flow started. Okay. Copy flow end. Okay. So let just save it. Let file application to be deployed again. Okay, application got deployed. If I move this one, this read operation will give the error. Why? Because that particular file is not present. So let me show you. See, CSV file does not exist. So what I can do, let me debug it. Meanwhile, I can keep this file again to the input folder. Okay, let's deploy application again. Yeah, application got deployed. Let me move next. I'm going to call the copy flow. Okay, file copied from one location to another location, then going to delete again. Okay, deleted, successfully executed the application. So if you see, start job, file it successfully, data written successfully, copy flow started, copy flow end, delete subflow start, delete subflow end, and job end. Okay, let me show you here. So input file gone, and if you see in copied, the file got here, and output, this is the details of the output. So here we learn like delete and copy operation. Okay, let's I'll show you in the next lecture for the new operation, new file operation. Okay, thank you so much.